So do you have any doubt in our previous session? In our previous session, we have seen 3 different transformations like source qualifier, and we have seen filter and expression, right? Any doubt?
I'm trying to convert the date, Chandra, in different format. I'm getting some error.
Used toChar or toDate function, okay?
It's a date column. I'm trying to, first I converted into toChar, and then I'm trying to do a toDate function.
Yeah, variable port, assign it to variable port.
Oh,
okay.
Okay.
So make it like a variable port and then convert this into a character. Okay. After that, you convert both of them into the same thing. Okay. So same format. So make it like a variable port, intermediate calculation.
Okay.
Any other questions? Okay, please join the session regularly. Okay, so that you will not miss anything. Okay, shall we continue? Yeah, first you convert this into a character. Okay. Then take it to a date column. It should be working fine. Whether it is not working?
Yeah, it's not working. I'm getting error in the final state.
This format you are getting error, right?
Yeah,
toDate function you are getting error.
Correct.
Okay.
Invalid string for converting a date.
Okay. You try it today. If not, I will do it tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Any other questions? Others? So I hope everyone is practicing it. Okay. Now we will continue. Like today we will take the 4th transformation is joiner transformation. We have already seen that the source qualifier joiner. So what is the use of source qualifier joiner? Source qualifier joiner used to join the homogeneous sources, like joining from same type of database, same tables, data coming from the same database, right? But here, if you consider, I have one table. Okay, I have one table from one database, another table from another database. I have one table from, this is from Oracle. Okay, another one is from Flatfile or SQL Server. Another source from SQL Server. So I have 2 different sources. So this is one source, this is one source. One is from Oracle, the another one is from SQL Server or DB2 or Flatfile. Okay, so this is Oracle. You assume that it's an employees table. Okay, any table you can go for. So it has employee ID, right? See, whatever we have seen the same concept for source qualifier. Same thing we are going to see, but the source qualifier, we have taken both of them from Oracle, but here we are going to take, so one is from Oracle, the other one is from the Flatfile. Okay, so this one we will take it like a Flatfile. Flatfile is nothing but our department's table. So normally, if it is a source qualifier, what we can do? So we can have only one source qualifier here. Source qualifier joiner, we can have only one source qualifier. How many number of sources are there? So irrespective of number of source, we can have only one source qualifier. But in joiner, we need to have 2 joiners. Sorry, 2 source qualifier itself we need to have. So this source qualifier we need to have, and for this also we need to have. Source qualifier we need to keep. We should not delete it. And we can take one joiner here. One joiner here. See, whatever the first table, if you drag and drop into the joiner, the first table will become like it is a detailed table. The first table is detailed table. Normally we will call it as left table, right table, right? Left table, right table. But in Informatica, the first table we will call it as detail table. The second table, we will call it as master table, master. Okay, master table. Then we have to do the join condition. Join condition. What is the join condition? We can write the join condition. Here you will be having the department ID. Department underscore ID. We'll have department name and location ID, right? Department underscore name and location ID. So like this, you'll be having a column. Location ID, all the columns will be there. So here you can take all the columns you can take, and you can take all the columns here. Okay. So first table is detail table, second table is master table, join condition and the join type. We have to take the join type also. So what is join type? I will tell you, but join condition is nothing but, see, join type is nothing but whether it is a inner join, left outer, right outer, we will take. I will take this join type after this. See, join condition is, what is the join condition? So departments dot, sorry, employees dot, first you will take employees table, employees dot department underscore ID equal to departments dot department ID. So like this, you'll be taking the columns, right? So you'll be taking the columns. So this is called join condition. This is called join condition. Normally is what we'll go for the join condition. Okay, then after that you can take the columns, department name, all this columns you can take. So there is no filter condition in the joiner. If I want to filter out the record, either you have to filter before the joiner or after the joiner. It's based on the source, which source we are going for. Clear on this? So what is the first table? It is a detail table. What is the second table? It's a master table. Clear? So we have 4 type of joins. The join type, we will go for 4 type of joins. So if you want to know the joins very well, please look at the joins in the SQL. Okay, SQL, I will send you the joins today. You check all the different types of joins. So what is the, normally we will write implicit join and ANSI join method. So that I have explained. Please go through that. Okay. If you go through that, it's very easy for you to understand this join under. See, we have 4 type of join type. So one is the first table. If you take the first table, it is called detail table. Second table, it is called master table. See, tomorrow, whatever the transformation we are seeing here, so tomorrow I will ask all the questions from you. Okay, you have to explain. So if I'm asking like what is source qualifier, you have to explain all the properties of source qualifier, what is the usage. Okay, just I'm making you to practice or learn for the Informatica interview level. Okay, so all the interview perspective, please go through that. I will also send some interview documents. Okay, but interview documents I will take some time, but I will ask some questions whatever we have seen. So you prepare for that, whatever the transformation we are seeing today and before that. Okay, the first table what we are taking, that table is detail table, second table is master table. Always remember this. First table is detail, second table is master. The first join type is called normal join. What is the join? First table, it's a normal join. Normal join means inner join. So inner join means matching record from the both the tables, right? So matching record from both the tables. You'll be having matching, non-matching record. So only matching record. This is called normal join. Second join type is called, okay. If it is left outer, it is a master outer. Master outer. What is master outer, right? It is a left outer join. Left outer means all the record from the left table, matching record from the right table. This is called master outer. Okay. Third one is detail outer. Detail outer is nothing but right outer. Okay, detail outer. So this is what we will explain. If they are asking about your joiner transformation, you have to tell them either it is a normal join or master outer or detail outer or full outer. So what is this left out, right outer, how it will perform? So please go through my joiner video. Okay, please go through that. Before this joiner, please go through that. So then you will get to know all the joining as well as your source qualifier properties. Okay. So you can take detail outer is nothing but this is a detail outer. See, how can I easily understand? How can I easily know this? Which is the detail, which is the master? See here, if it is normal join means it is a inner join, you know already. Master outer means it's a left outer. All the records from the left, matching record from the right. See, master outer means master will be out. Okay, that means all the record from the detail. Detail outer means detail will be out. All the records from the master. Clear? Fourth one is called full outer. Full outer, you know, right? Full outer. So what is the full outer join? Full outer is nothing but matching, non-matching record from both the tables. So where it will be used in real time? So normally, if I want to compare two tables, so if I ask some questions, you can take the data from two or more tables, right? So that is what these table joins are used. Okay, remember this. See, whatever the table, we have small table, two tables we are taking, right? Whichever the table is having small table, like small number of record, less number of record. So that table you take it like a master table. So why, right? Why we have to take like master table? So because Informatica, it will take cache memory on this master table only. Okay, whichever the table, small table, Informatica will take this table into a Informatica cache memory, then it will create a cache. So if it is small table, then cache will be very less space to occupy. Otherwise, Informatica will take a lot of space. Performance wise, you will go for the degradation. See, if they are asking how to improve the performance of joiner, you can tell them I will go for the small table, that master table, small table as master table. Okay, if you have n number of tables, n number of heterogeneous table, n sources, you have to use n minus 1 joiner. Remember this, n minus 1 joiner. Why? So if I have two sources, how many joiner needed? Two sources, one joiner needed. Three sources, two joiner needed. Remember this. Okay, n sources, n minus 1 joiner. Small table, you have to go for master table. Clear on this? If I have three tables like this, how many joiner needed? Two joiner. First employees, it's Oracle table. Departments is a flat file. Just I'm taking these two, like detail and master, just connecting through the join condition. Okay, through join condition, I'm connecting. Then after joining, I'm joining this to another joiner, joiner 2. This is a detail. So this is the master. This is a join condition we are making. Okay. So this is like joiner 1 and joiner 2. So this is what you can go for the, if it is three sources, say for an example, this is Oracle, you can use by using the source qualifier, and then you can have only one joiner. Okay. If it is possible to use source qualifier, use it in the source qualifier itself. Clear? Any doubt here? Any doubt on this? So what is master? What is detail? Left outer, right outer, full outer? Okay. So now it's very simple only. Joiner is very simple. I will take Informatica. So concept wise, you have to be very clear how it will perform. Then joiner transformation is very easy only. Okay. I will take m underscore joiner. It's very simple only. I will take one is from a table, another one is from a flat file. I will take employees as a flat file now. Okay, this is a flat file. Departments as table, Oracle. Okay, this is a table. Then I can go for the joiner here. So this is a joiner. Okay, joiner. 2 into 1, right? First table, if you drag and drop, this will become a detail. Detail. Second table, if you drag and drop, this is the master. You can see here, this is the master. First one is detail, second one is master. Okay. Then you can have target. Simply double click, go to join condition, just to make the join condition, add a new condition. See, operator will have only equal symbol. Okay, so department ID equal to department ID here, not employee ID. Then properties, you can choose the join type. You have the 4 type of join: normal join, master outer, detail outer, full outer. So I can choose the normal join. So you'll be having null order. That null order I will tell you what is this. While taking the next transformation, I will tell you what is this null order. Sorted input to null. I will tell you these properties in the next transformation. Then you will get to know. Joiner will take data cache and index cache. Indexing is nothing but the join condition. It will take the indexing. Okay. So here I will go to the target. So anywhere in the pipeline, if I want to join it, I can use the joiner transformation. So this is also department ID. This is also department ID. One department ID is enough. Okay. It is not T underscore employees. It's employees underscore department. For that only, we are going for the joiner, right? So I can take department name and I can take all this column from here. Control yes. It is a valid one. Okay. Then go to the workflow. Go to workflow. Go to workflow. Workflows, create WF underscore joiner underscore transformation. It's very simple only. Double click on it, go to mapping. Source should be pointing to source, target should be pointing to target. So you can choose the source and target. Go a little bit down. You can do the truncate and load, apply, okay, save. You can start workflow. It will load the data into this table, okay? If you look at here, so 107 record from the source qualifier, 27 records from the departments. Okay, it's a flat file, and then 27, you are getting 106 records. So one record, since it is a normal join, it is getting filtered out. Okay, you can go and check in the target, it should get loaded. If you are doing like a master outer, okay, for an example, you are doing master outer. Master outer is nothing but left outer, right? Master outer is nothing but left outer. I'm choosing master outer. Then if you execute this, you will get all the 107 record. Why? Because from left hand side table, you will get all the records. Okay. You can choose here, select star from T underscore employees underscore department, right? You can see here. Just 106 records will be there, right? Still the Informatica is running, so there is no null value on the right hand side. But if it has been completed, it will have null value on the right hand side. See here, 107 record has been loaded. You can go and check here. 107 records. You'll be having some null value on the right hand side. Null values on the right hand side. So this is what we'll be having. The left outer, right outer, full outer, all the joins. So I have given exercise. You can try to complete that exercise. Okay. So this is a joiner.
Show the source and the target outputs. I mean, like compare both. How it is taking only the normal join.
Normal join means it will take inner join. Okay, inner join.
The common thing in both the tables.
Yeah, inner join. Inner join, you know, right? How the inner join will be performed.
Yeah.
So matching record from both. See here.
So these are different tables, right? So how it will take the matching records now?
Different?
I mean, the columns are different, right, for both the tables.
We are matching based on the department ID here. See here we are matching based on the department ID, right? 1 minute, I will show you. See, this is we have taken as flat file, but I will show you in the table. Okay.
Okay.
This one we have employees table. I'm showing here, but we have taken this as like a flat file.
Okay. Anyways, the columns will be the same, right?
Columns will be the same. 1 minute, I'll show you. See here. That is why I asked you to refer this joiner. Okay, joiner. I have explained all this. What is this left outer, right outer will do all this. Okay, in that I have explained. See, if you look at here, there is a two table, right? Customer table, country table. Okay, I'm asking the questions. How many customers from USA? Is it possible to tell along only with this table? Is it possible to tell?
No.
Answer this question. How many customers are from USA? I'm asking. Is it possible to?
No, it's not
derive from this table? No. Okay, we have to join this to table. So here, since I have explained like a USA, so you take 202 here, 202 here, right? You will join here, 202 and 202. Country ID, customer.country ID equal to country.country ID. This is called the join condition. Correct? So this country.country ID equal to customer.country ID equal to country.country ID. So wherever it is matching the 202, so these two customers we can say from US. Right? If you do inner join, this record will not come. Why? Why? Because there is no matching in the right hand side. Okay, this record will get filtered out on the inner join, and also this record will get filtered out. Why? Because this record is there in right hand side but not in left hand side. Correct? So this is the inner join result. So inner join, you will not get any China here, and you will not get 205 here. That 1004 you will not get it. Okay, if it is left outer join, irrespective of right table, you take all the records from the left table. Okay, all the records from the left table. If the record 107 record is there in the left table, all the 107 it will come. But right hand side, if it is not matching, you will get null value. Okay, that is what we are getting, null value on the right hand side. Now, if you look at here, we'll be having one null value, right? Why? Because we have completed one left outer join. That's why we are getting null value. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so first of all, kindly watch that joins session. Practice this one. Okay, practice. you take this table and complete it. Okay, then you can able to do it.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Then this is what left outer, right outer. Right outer means all the record from the right table. If it is not matching on the left hand side, you will get null value on the left hand side. If it is not matching. So full outer, you'll get all this. Matching, say for an example, here I have 1201. That means all the record is matching with this record, right? This record is matching with all this record. Then for all the 4 join, you will get the same result. All the 4 joins, you will get the same result. So for this, you will get record 201 China. This you will get it here. See, this is the result for all the joins. Clear on this? Why? Because everything is matching. So there is no difference between left out, right outer and all. So why we are choosing the right outer? If I want to know how many of the, in how many countries I do not have any employees or any customers. So you'll go for right outer join. You'll make one more condition as null here. Okay. Customer ID is null. Then I will take, okay. Then this record alone will be taken. 201 China. You do not have any customers. That is the way you can tell. Okay. Clear on this? So this is a joiner. So please go through that joiner video today. I will send along with that today's link. I will send it to you so that you can practice.
Chandra, one doubt here. Shall we use the indirect file in the as a source here?
Yeah, you can use it. No issues.
Okay. For joiner transformations also we can use that, right?
That is source only, right?
Yeah,
so
right.
That is source only. So it will take. So instead of instead of 107 record, it is going to take more records. That's all.
Okay. Yeah, I will try.
But all the file structure should be same.
Got
See,
it.
whatever the file structure here we are using, this file structure, all the file structure should be same. So see, whatever you are using indirect or direct or all, up to here only it will take.
Correct.
After that it is same like your normal flow.
Yeah, correct. From session level only we are giving this as a we are giving a master file, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's what I'm asking.
Session level we are going here, right?
Yeah, right.
So here this is a source. Source we are going to give indirect file here. Indirect file.
Okay.
After that you have to mention the path, that indirect file name. That's all.
Okay, Chandra.
Okay.
Yeah.
Clear on this? Any other doubt on the joiner? Okay, I hope joiner is clear. Then we'll go for one transformation called the sorter. So I have given all this heterogeneous, what is homogeneous, all this normal join, master outer, retail outer, full outer, n number of heterogeneous sources. You have to use n-1 joiner. If I have to improve the performance of joiner, you have to take the master table as small table as master table. These two I will explain later. What is sorted input? Next one is called sorter. If you know the order by class very well, then the sorter is very easy. See, what is order by? Okay, so what is order by in Oracle? If you are taking select star from the table, it will select all the columns directly like this. Whatever the way we have inserted, it will select in that way. But I want to order based on the first name. Yes, you can go for order by first name. You can mention first name is this. If you don't mention anything is like ascending or descending, by default it will take ascending order. You can see here it is taking like ascending order. It is a case sensitive. If I have anything like, look at here, after W we have J. Why this is J? Why? Because this is case sensitive. See, the lower case will have the less ASCII value. Sorry, the upper case will have the less ASCII value. The lower case will have highest ASCII value compared to this one. That's why it's coming next. If you are making first name descending, then this John will become first. Look at here, John. So why? Because this is like ASCII value J, small j is higher. So this is what you can go for the order by class. Okay, can we use order by any other column? Yes, you can use order by salary. I can choose. See here, order by salary, right? So you are ordering based on the salary, but look at here, two members are getting same salary. See, if two of them are getting same salary, you are ordering this person, Nancy as first, then Shelly is second, right? Among them, then Shelly will ask question. So I'm also getting same salary. Why I'm the second person, right? She will ask question. So we have to give some justification. For that, you can go for one more column. So if both are like there is some tie, then we can go for one more column. That is what you remember. The source qualifier we have made a number of port 1, 2. Salary descending, I'm going for the higher date. If both are like same, then I'm comparing with higher date. See here, now there won't be any issues, right? If both of them are getting same salary, but who have been joined company first, I'm ordering June, then August. Then look at here also 2002, 2004, 2007. Okay, here also same way 2002, 4, 5, 6. So like this we can give them clear. Even I can give them some numbers. Order by 8. 8 means 8th column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th column is salary. Order by 8 descending, 6 ascending. Same result you will get. Okay. If I'm going to order based on some null value columns, some null values are there in the column. Order by commission percentage. So if I have null value, remember null treated as highest value. So 0.1, this is ascending order, right? 0.1, after that it's getting increased. 0.4, after 0.4 only you are getting that value. Okay, so this is what you are having the commission percentage. Okay. Then you are having order by commission percentage, DESC. Null value will be treated as highest value. Clear on this? Any doubt on the order by class? So the same order by like this will be used in our cutoff mark and all. Right? We are getting the same cutoff mark for medical or any other engineering cutoff. Then we will go for, if the cutoff mark is same, then we will go for mathematics, physics, then biology, some or chemistry, some data birth, some alphabetic number. In the order will go right. Same way here also. Okay. Order by clear? Okay. In the sorter, see, I have given all this. It is an active transformation and connected. Why active? I will tell you. Okay. It has 3 ports. One is input port, output port, and key port. And direction will be there. Direction. Okay. Direction. Direction is nothing but we have to give the direction, either it's ascending order, descending order. Look at here. So remember in Informatica, top to bottom, whichever the port we have selected as first port, whichever the port we have selected as first port, that will be ordered first. So this will be ordered first hire date. If the employee is hired on same date, then it will be based on the salary. Now it's salary. If the same salary, then hire date. So you can go for the from top to bottom, which is first and second. Okay. Can I select more than one key port in sorter? Yes, you can select. Okay, you can select more than one key port. That is what we can choose. In the properties, we will have one property called distinct. So have you seen some distinct property in any other transformation? Do you remember which transformation we have seen?
Source qualifier.
Correct. So source qualifier. From the source itself, if I want to remove the duplicate, then I can go for the source qualifier distinct. But anywhere in the pipeline, say for an example, if the source is a flat file, it has some duplicate. Can I use source qualifier distinct? No. All the properties are disabled if the flat file, right? I have to use sorter transformation distinct, and also anywhere in the pipeline, if I want to remove the duplicate, I can go for the distinct option. Then you'll be having option called case sensitive. What is case sensitive? You are ordering, right? You are ordering like this. We have seen the John. So can you tell me what is the order of this one? Okay, so I have Arun and I have Arun. Okay. So one is case sensitive, the other one is case insensitive. Which is case sensitive, which is case insensitive? Order. This is case insensitive. That means if Arun or Arun, no issues. You can keep it like Arun only. Okay. After Arun, it will go for the Babu. It is case insensitive. Case sensitive means it will take this way. Arun, then Babu. After this only, it will go for the case sensitive comparison. ASCII value. Clear on this? Case sensitive, case insensitive. Okay. Null treated as low value. Normally, null treated as highest value. If you want to make null treated as low value, so this null value will be treated as low value. Okay. Clear on this? So these are all the properties of sorter. It's sorter also very easy. I will show you. Mapping m underscore sorter. You can take any sources like employees table. I will take t underscore employees. I will take sorter is nothing but A to Z. It's very simple. You can drag and drop. Key column, you can choose whichever the key column I want. I want to sort based on the salary. I'll choose salary column, key port. Descending order I will choose. That's all. Descending order I'm choosing. If you look at here, key port selected in the salary port. Then Control S, arrange all. See, arrange all iconic means it will arrange like icon. Okay, arrange all iconic means it will arrange like icon. Arrange all means it will be arranged like this. If you have more number of transformation, you can do the arrange all. Okay, then I will go here, workflow, WF underscore sorter transformation. Double click, go to mapping. Source should be pointing to source. Target should be pointing to target. Go a little bit down. I'm just doing the truncate and load. Okay. Start workflow. So it will not filter out any record. If there is a duplicate, then it will filter out. So since that it has the property called distinct, sorter is an active transformation. They will ask why sorter is inactive. So since it has the property like distinct, it will change the number of record passed through it. So that is why sorter is an active transformation. Okay. See, 107 record has been loaded into the target table. You can check here. It will be taken like order based on the salary. So it's ordering right based on the salary. Say for an example here, 4 persons are getting same salary. What is the order it is making? It is not making in the order. So I want to order it. How can I order? So can I go like this? What will happen if I go like this? First, it will make the order based on the higher rate. Then it will make the order on the salary. You should not do it. So bring this, choose this higher date, bring this hire date below to the salary. Like this, okay? Below to this salary, you can go for hire date. You can go like this, and you can take, apply, okay, save. Clear? Just you have to swap it based on the condition. You can go for start or flow. Can go for year and then check it. First, it will take the hire date. Sorry, it will take a salary, right? After that, it will take the hire date. 2002, 4, 5, 6, right? So this is what it will take. Clear on this? See, null treated as low value, highest value, right? Instead of this column, you are going for commission percentage column. Ascending order or descending order. If you take ascending order, so null treated as low value, right? Ascending order I have taken. So what is the order it will take? 0.1. Then after that, it will take the values, highest value. So look at here. Still running. Okay, so I will go to the, I will show you how it will be taken. See, null treated as low value. So ascending order, right? See, null treated as low value. Sorry, highest value now. So after 0.4 only it is taking. If I'm going to use null treated as low value, okay, null treated low. Then this null value will be in the top before 0.1. See here, before 0.1, very first 0.1 we are getting, right? Before that, you will have null values. So just a minute. Okay, so if you run if you check now, you will have null values first. Okay, look at here. Then it will take 0.1. and then all the values. Okay, null treated as low value. Even you can take a case sensitive comparison, right? Case sensitive comparison, case insensitive comparison. What is it? So if you look at here, I'm going to make a null order by based on the first name. Whether it is a case sensitive, yes, it's a case sensitive. Case sensitive means it will treat it as two different values. Look at here. This is normal actually. You can check here. See, this is like this one you are getting, right? If you look at here, this John, and then John is coming like in the last. So if you are going for case insensitive, so I'm removing this. I'll show you what the difference is. Okay, refresh mapping. If you look at here, case insensitive comparison. Now all the John is coming here, right? It is not going with the last. Are you getting it? So how the sorter will work? What is case sensitive, case insensitive, all this? Clear? So I will send you some exercises on joiner and a sorter. Please complete every day 2 transformations. Okay. Tomorrow we will take it like aggregator and router. I will send along with this today's session. I will send all the document to you. So please go through it. Any questions? So if you are facing any issues, please let me know. Please share your screen. We will try to fix it. Okay. I think Hari, you have mentioned that, right? That issue got solved.
Yes, Chandra. Yesterday I have re-downloaded it.
Okay.
Reinstalled successfully.
Yeah. Thank you all. Then we'll meet tomorrow, same time. Please complete all the exercises. Okay. So you send me the screenshot. All of you, please. Okay. Thank you all. Then we'll meet tomorrow.
Thanks, Chandra.
Thank you.